This is the Victorinox Pioneer Pruner. This is one of the Alox scaled models. As you can see, it's quite thin. Really slim. Doesn't have a key ring. It only has two blades. First one is the standard Victorinox spear-shaped blade, and the second one, and the reason I bought this, is this hawkbill. Shaped like the beak of a hawk. This is a pruning blade, but it's also a great blade for opening up stuff. It's quite sharp and it is quite dangerous. Let's take a closer look at it. Yeah, as you can see, it's quite aggressive. It's kind of got a sickle edge to it, shape. Yeah. It's just a nice one to have. I already have a farmer, so I didn't want to buy the harvester, I think. This is a beautiful knife. I think they're discontinued or something at this stage, but you can get them at the Swiss Army knife shop. There's a strong clack off it when it closes. You wouldn't want that to fly back on your hands. So yeah, that's it. That's the Victorinox Pioneer Pruner. Very unique knife indeed.